Hi, this is Priscilla Schaewe here, saying, welcome to my channel. And tonight I'm going to talk to you about residual. It is the front end offer that I offer. And you just can be an affiliate. You put in 3 and the system is free. It's $53.97, I believe, a month. But you get a lot of tools and you can get an opportunity to also link your primary business. That's what I do. So, if this is your first time to my channel, like and subscribe. And there's also a way that you can earn off of your team. They just upped the comp plan. And there's no roll-ups, no pass-ups. But you make 50% of whatever your team is making per month. Let's say Mary does $2,000. You earn 50% of that, plus your own. And if you have other members, it's whatever they're making per month. It's 50% of that you make too. Now, you can also go in to earn on the fast bonuses too. They do have one-time offerings. There is a business tool where you do free ad secrets. One time of $147. And then you have your, what I would say, platinum is Social Profit Academy. There is so much in the modules. And you get $497 one time. You earn $400 commission off of that one and $50 overrides. The other one was $100 commission and $25 overrides. And these are just one time. And then you have the newest member vault. And the goodies that are in there, Master Traffic Institute is $14.97. That is your high ticket. You earn $1,000 per month. Per sale that you make. And it's $200 overrides. But there's a disclaimer. Everybody is different of what they make. But there's 50% matching bonuses that you would make off of your team. And as an affiliate, you're only paying $53.97 a month. But remember those upgrades, those fast bonuses, you buy one time. But if you're not positioned, you'll pass it on to your sponsor. Unless they're not upgraded, and then it goes to their sponsor. That's how it works. But if you want to learn more about it, click below. It's a trial of 7 days. And have a good evening. This is Priscilla Schaewe saying good night. And remember, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. You have a lovely evening. Bye now.